Pretty gang? Today's video is going to be emergency DIY emergency kit. So I'm gonna show you how to make an emergency kit, because you never know where it might be that day that you have that emergency. Never know what can happen. I feel like every girl should have an emergency kit. Like, it's just necessary. I feel like it'll save a lot of people lives, you know what I'm saying? And that's what today's video is gonna do. I'm gonna help y'all. I'm gonna come through for y'all, because I know a lot of younger girls, even if you're not a younger girl, a lot of the young girls that are getting on their menstruals and getting older, you need a figure to be able to tell you that, or somebody to be able to tell you that, because a lot of people don't have parents that will tell them that, or they don't have people that would, you know, let them know these types of things. And I want to be that person that can help you, even if you do and you need some extra tips. That's what this for. Get into the video. I have one thing I have to ask. You know anybody that is giving away a small dog? If you have a small dog that you would like to give to me or give away, or if you know anybody who's selling one for cheap, you're selling one for cheap, hook your girl up. And I want a dog so bad, y'all. I swear I do. Like, I really do. So hook me up, put me on, help me out. It doesn't matter the breed, it just has to be a dog that stays small, because I want a small dog, and you know what I'm saying? So please just help me out. Let me know. I'm gonna put my social media right here for you guys, so you can hit me up and let me know. So without further ado, let's just get into this emergency kit video. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need, like I just did a Dollar Tree haul, please go watch that. So first thing you're gonna need is this right here. So this is from the Dollar Tree. You see, pack. You don't want one too small. You don't want one too big. First thing you're gonna need is some pads. If you wear tampons, definitely go ahead and put your tampons in there. You're gonna need some pads. These right here. Always get them from the Dollar Tree. You can put as many as you want here. I'm just gonna put two. I'm gonna put 2 in here and put the other one to the side for her. So these are so cute. Just look at them. Like, they're so pretty for your emergency kit. You wanna open your emergency kit and put the 2 in there. You never know, throughout the day you might need more than one, so don't just pack one, okay? I don't recommend putting this entire baby, you know, of course you can't fit in there. What I recommend is you take some of the baby wipes out and you get you a Ziploc bag, a small Ziploc bag, and put you like 5 or 10 baby wipes in there. Zip it up, make sure it's nice and neat, fold it up, and put it into the emergency kit. Now we got our pads in there. Let's say we put our wipes in our Ziploc bag and we put it in here. I'm actually gonna do it, just not right now. Take a small Vaseline jar, because girl, you never know when you need Vaseline. You just really never know. You don't. Put that in there. Drop that in there, nice, small, and clutch. You know, any deodorant of your choice, make sure it's small and compact and clutch. And then just pop that down in there. Okay, and then you're gonna need a scrunchie or a few scrunchies. I feel like everybody should have a scrunchie in their emergency kit, because I always need one. You never know when you're gonna need that scrunch. You never know when you have. You know what I mean? I'm just playing, y'all. I don't condone the fight. I don't even fight myself. I wouldn't want to steer y'all wrong. So you put that in there. We drop that in our bag. If you're a girl that wears mascara, I definitely do. Sometimes you want to look cute. Sometimes you might need you probably messed up your mascara real dry and got to put some more on there. You know what I'm saying? You never know. You take this and you put it in here. This is just a mascara. Boom. Probably like, what? But I feel like it's necessary. And this is just some triple antibiotic ointment, because I'm kind of clumsy. I get scars and stuff, sometimes I cut myself. You never know, okay? You never ever know. And right after the triple antibiotic ointment, I do recommend you getting some Band-Aids. These are just some small ones. You have to use this kind. You can use any kind you want, cute ones, whatever you want. If you want to keep your emergency kit cute, and you just drop that down in there. Like in every emergency kit, there should be some type of perfume so you can touch up and, you know what I'm saying, do what you gotta do, girl. You wanna just take this right here, and this is just this Pure Attraction perfume. It's just something that's, you know, quick. You know what I'm saying? They don't have to be your best fragrance. And you just put that inside the bag kit. Now, this should help plenty of you ladies out there out. And you just zip it out, zip it up. Throw it in your book bag. If you just got, you know what I'm saying, a bag or a purse that you carry around with you, throw it in there and keep it with you. Like, keep this emergency kit with you at all times, and you're gonna realize how much it is a lifesaver. Much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up, and comment down below what you want to see next. Be creative, and until next time, pretty gang, peace.